No 230, guys. Uh-oh. Oh. Yes, this is a pinner star, but he ain't doing no engine work. I think he taking out the AC doors. Uh-oh. Yep. This is the one that got the blend doors not opening properly. Oh my goodness, guys. All of this got to come out. Of course, the AC has to come loose. Yeah, the whole HVAC. Look at all that. The whole HVAC assembly got to come out. So in order to gain access to it, oh, this would be a good time for me to look and see. Well, I still can't see it. Plus, I'm working on a Durango. Same thing, though. Oh, my goodness, guys. This is a pain. Even though you charge accordingly, still a pain. Of course, remember, the HVAC box is coming out. So, let me see. How far have he gotten? Not far at all from the looks of it. And it's the end of the month. So, he's going to have to really hump. Yep, all of this got to come off. Y'all know what happened? The blend door or the actuator will appear to fail, okay, because you got you cold on one side and hot on the other side, so you think it's the actuator, right? But if you take the actuator off and try to manually turn the lever, it breaks. Okay, it's binding, so you got to get a whole what they call that, Tom Heller, y'all know what I'm talking about, mid case. You got to get a whole little mid case section, which means the whole freaking HVAC housing has to come out, guys. Oh my. Now these are big jobs, guys, but they pay big money, so it's not really one of those. But yeah, go actually. I think he replaced it, but there's no need in proceeding with the replacement. If you pull the old one out and pieces just fall on the floor, watch this video right here. I did one, but this was a CP. This was a friend of mine. So I told her I'm just going to bind hers to where to stay in the cold position. Because we're in the summertime now. All she concerned with is AC. The correct way you can get AC and heat, because when you want heat, the doors will simply close to the heat position. But the way I have her Jeep set up now, it's only going to be in the cold position. So you can't regulate it. But yeah, there's no sense of replacing this. Like I said, you pull the old one out and pieces fall out, your mid case is broken. All right, they shutting down, guys. No, it's 30. I started late. I apologize. We'll carry on next. We'll catch up next time. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Next day. Let's see what my man. Whoa! Come on, man. All this for a mid case? What the old one at, Chan? Huh? What the old? You did a mid case?
No, I did evaporator.
Oh, I thought you was doing a mid case.
I did a whole evaporator.
Evaporator coil leaking?
No, it's freezing up.
Holy crap.
Yeah, so.
Oh, somebody saw a Jeep with a mid case on it. I wanted to see them. It wasn't this new. That's why I was confused yesterday when I was trying to explain this.
Yeah, it wasn't me. I saw the whole evaporator. This shit was freezing. This shit's freezing up. Like, you might be riding down the road for a while and then it just freeze up.
It's still a lot of damn work. Alright, I gotta go find the guy responsible for doing that mid case. It was a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Same thing, guys. So you gotta. Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Without giving the customer identity away, I heard this car come into the shop and it sounded pretty powerful. Just for me to come over and see that it is equipped with a V6. That's right, guys. This is a pinner star. Okay, so I'm not sure what my man have on the exhaust end. This thing sounds like a V8, and it will fool you. Okay, I'm sure the K&N filter alone, cold air intake, is not what's making that sound like that. I have no idea what he have on the exhaust, but guys, oh, this tricked everybody. So all he need to do now is simple. Put a Hemi emblem on it. Right? Yeah, you wanna completely fool everybody, just don't pop your hood and put a Hemi emblem on it. That'll do it. But man, when they popped the hood and I heard the guys over here, it's a V6, I had to come see for myself. So do it have some power and get up? I don't know. I've posed this question before. How much advantage will adding a cold air intake give you? I mean, Is it, does you become V8 compatible? Do you gain V8 type speed? I do not know. All right, so, but the car looks good. I don't want to put his car on the internet, but it's a nice looking car that will easily fool you guys. This could easily pass. I mean, it sounds, oh my goodness. All right, I'm not gonna drool over V6. That is beneath me. But make it, how that saying go? Fake it until you make it, guys. All right, let's go this way, guys. Ooh, Wrangler, a Wrangler. Hey, look at this, guys, a V6 Wrangler. Not the typical V6 Wrangler, the old style V6, the 3.8. It's not even a V6 Pentastar. Some of you guys out there, I talked to a lot of you guys out there had got them Wranglers. Y'all love y'all Wranglers, and I didn't get a lot of good compliments on that 392 Wrangler, that Rubicon, the new one that just came out with the V8. A lot of people not impressed. I don't know why.
Yeah, so
hey, whatever floats your boat. You got the money.
I don't know. A lot of people weren't impressed, but
okay, so
this do just fine for a Wrangler, guys.
you got plenty. Look at all that room to work on. All right, so Wranglers, Jeeps are supposed to be a Jeep. Okay, are you chasing speed in a freaking Wrangler? I mean, come on. But you know, whatever will push the sales envelope. All right, look, here's another Wrangler right beside it. What's in this one? Hey, now it's still a V6, but it's a Pentastar V6. Pentastar have a little bit more torque. This one, like, it's got a coolant leak. So I don't know what my man chasing on this. But yeah, man, this is a Jeep dealer, so naturally we're gonna be making Jeep repairs. It does not mean it's because you see Jeeps in here with hood opens that all Jeeps are peace. I hate when people assume that. And let me go back this way, guys. Oh yeah, so now what he doing? Yeah, it must have a little. We pressurized that, guys. Pressurize and see where the leak's coming from. Y'all remember this Pentastar? This the one that had the, yeah, the one that she ran in a puddle of water. Got a little bit too deep. Remember, guys, the intake on some cars are very low, so you can't go through a puddle of water, guys. No, don't do that. All right, guys. Nosy 30 is about over. I'm gonna go over here. I gotta wrap it up, man. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.